There is a new operating system coming from Google, and it's called Aluminum OS or Aluminium OS. I don't know how to actually pronounce aluminum. Comment down below. What is the right way to say aluminum or aluminium? We can have some discussion in the comments about this. Now, surprisingly, the new Aluminium OS isn't actually new. It's actually a Android OS. I actually made a video in this a couple of months ago. The title was Android OS is coming for PC. So this is the update on that. Now we have a official, or maybe the code name for that operating system, the Aluminum OS or Aluminium OS. We have some new news, confirmation, and some leaks on this. According to Android Authority, Google has confirmed that Aluminum OS is still on track for a debut on 2026, which means in late 2026, it might get released. Or maybe instead of release, the test release, the beta phase or something that we can test. And surprisingly, it looks like Chrome OS isn't going anywhere. It's gonna be a completely different operating system. Now, at the beginning, when this all started, rumors about Android OS coming to PC, we all thought that Google is going to replace the Chrome OS with Android. But for now, it looks like Chrome OS is gonna stay Chrome OS as it is. But there is going to be a new operating system based on Android, or basically a full-blown Android that will have a support for the laptops or PCs, the larger screen. And this is actually a feature on Android phone that we can use right now if you have Android 16 or above. In some phones, it also works with the Android 15, but Android 16 is the version which supports the native desktop mode. Basically, what this feature does is when you connect your phone to a external monitor, it transforms that monitor into a desktop PC, just like you see in this demo. And your phone is also usable separately. Basically, it supports multi-monitor, plus when it's connected to the external display, it has its own interface for the desktop. And it works just like the Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Okay, it has the windowing system. You can see there are navigation buttons, maximize, minimize, close. You can resize it. So basically, Google is trying to make a universal operating system that can be used on any form factor. And there are some Android operating systems for PC, like the Bliss OS, which supports x86. So this desktop mode for Android is gonna benefit many people out there. Okay, we can have a lightweight Android operating system that works on our old computers, because the main feature, the desktop mode, is now built into the Android. Hope Google keeps the Android operating system open source so anyone can build their own operating system based on Android and distribute it, just like, again, the Bliss OS, one of the most popular Android OS for PC. Since we have the desktop mode built into the Android, now using Android OS on PC will feel much better. And there are also some leaks. Someone actually running a Android OS, the new Android OS, or the Aluminium OS, and it looks like Google is also working on bringing extension support to Android. The Chrome browser that they are running inside this Android operating system is actually an Android app. So as you guys know, right now, only the desktop version of Chrome OS supports extensions. So it looks like Google is adding a support for extensions on Android. And they're probably gonna release their own laptop with the Android OS in it. Okay, since Android is open source, I'm pretty sure there are going to be so many operating systems based on Android, with different flavor, different style, and everything, just like Linux. You know, Linux is free and open source. There are thousands of flavors of Linux that we can use. Okay, so same thing can happen to Android OS. Am I the only one who looks so excited about this? I'm, genuinely excited for this actually. I can see myself using this operating system. I mean, there are already so many applications available on Android, some even like desktop level applications. Now, the devs just need to make them also work on the desktop form factor. And if this OS actually becomes successful, yeah, there is going to be a true competitor for Windows. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.